How to sell domain on Godaddy. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell domain on Godaddy. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Godaddy, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Godaddy, it is a prominent American technology company that specializes in domain registration, web hosting, and online marketing services, in which Godaddy offers a comprehensive suite of services designed to help individuals and businesses establish and maintain their online presence, in which this includes not only domain registration, but also web hosting, web building tools, professional email services, and digital marketing solutions. And aside from that, Godaddy's marketplace allows users to buy and sell domain names, providing a space for both new entrepreneurs and established businesses to acquire new, unique web addresses. And now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you could also click the sign in button on the top right corner, and by clicking the create account button, we will automatically be directed on this page, where you could also sign in using your Facebook, Google, or email address in here. And if you're not done signing in, you will not be able to be directed on this dashboard of Godaddy. But let's say we personally need to search, or you're looking for a specific kind of domain in here, just go to the search bar and kindly enter the domain that you prefer to purchase on this Godaddy to start availing your own domain in here. For example, I'm going to enter here myownstore.com, and by clicking the search domain or clicking enter, you'll be able to be directed in here, in which it will show you all of the result of your domain with its pricing in here. But below it will show you other kind of domain, which has a corresponding prices on the right side panel in here. But if you also want to filter the result in here, just click the filter option on the top panel, and upon clicking on it, it will show you that you could also use some of this filter, including the domain price, the character length, and many more. And upon navigating and customizing the filter section, you will be able to see the result below that has been changing. So for instance, in any of these options, I'm going to choose to this result right here, this one. And by clicking this add to cart button or icon right here, it will show us that we can simply click the continue button in order to purchase this kind of domain. By clicking the continue from here, the next thing that you need to do is to simply choose your payment method to proceed. Click continue to cart button right here. But since I already have a domain that I've purchased in here in Godaddy, all we need to do is simply go back to this page and kind of click on the top right corner in your account icon. And after clicking on it, just click My Products, and upon clicking on My Products, you'll be able to be directed on this page in which it will show you your domain. And to start selling your domain on Godaddy, just proceed by clicking this Manage button right here to proceed. And upon clicking on it, the next thing that you need to do from here is to simply choose the domain option that you can find on the left side panel in here. So by clicking the domain option right here on the left side panel, you'll be able to see here that you can simply sell your domain amounting or below $100 in here. And by clicking the button on the top panel that says Domain Settings, we'll automatically be directed on the page where we can simply edit the listing in here. For example, by clicking this Edit Listing button on selling this kind of domain, you'll be able to be directed in here, in which it will show you that we're currently under the Afternic.com pages, in which it is a subsidiary of Godaddy, which is a leading domain marketplace established that specializes in buying, selling, and parking of domain names, in which Afternic provides a comprehensive services to sellers, including expert assistance in pricing, marketing, and negotiating sales, making it accessible for both seasoned domain investor and newcomers. And to sign in here, just click the link on the description, or you could also click the Sell Your Domain button under this footer section, and upon clicking on it, you'll be able to be directed in here. And all you need to do is to simply fill out your email, username, and generate your own password. After signing in, you also need to verify your email address using the verification code that has been sent to your email inboxes. And you'll now be able to be directed on this dashboard of Afternic.com. But since we already directed on this page from Godaddy to this Afternic, on this pop-up window, just fill out all of the required information to update the domain details. Just enter here the buy now price of this domain, the floor price, and also the minimum offer. Then click Save Changes button to proceed. And upon clicking on it, you'll now be able to see here that your domain has now been changed in terms of its pricing or listing. Then you will be able to see here all of the details about the pricing of this kind of domain that has been selling in here. And below, you'll be able to see here the parking activity and even the offers activity in here if you scroll down. And if you also want to track the sales in here, just click the sales button on the left side panel of this Afternic.com, and upon clicking on it, you can navigate here the lead center, list out, and also the sold sales in here. You'd also navigate this portfolio including all domains in here, and by clicking on it, you'll be able to see here on the right side panel the portfolio summary with here the domain listings and the active listing in here, which indicate that we have now successfully selling the domain from Godaddy in here. So you could also click this one and it will show you that the status of it is listed. And by checking this one right here, you could also navigate here the pricing button, sale under, export, or even unlist, and delete this kind of domain in here. And by clicking the sale under, you'll be able to be directed in this page where you could also request a price, purchase, buy it now, cash parking, or custom lender. But going back on this page, you could also navigate on the right side panel the portfolio summary, including the not listed for sale, release, and insights in here. But for instance, going back on this page, you don't want to sell this anymore. All you need to do below is to simply click this unlist button and just click yes unlist. And after that, it will automatically change the status of it into unlisted or not listed in here, which indicate that you are now currently not selling your domains on this page. Moving on the left side panel, you can also navigate these offers, such as these buying offers, selling offers in here, if you receive any kind of offers on this page, and even these purchases such as your purchases on domains and other purchases history in here. While under the sales and list out, it will show you all of the list, sales that has been sold, and many more. So you can basically track all of the record in here. But going back on this page, Godaddy, on the left side panel, you could also navigate some other options in here, such as the DNS transfer services and many more, and even switch the domains into auction, parking, Afternic, and even domain academy. And now moving on, aside from that, going back to this Afternic.com, to set up your payment methods or payment options in here, just proceed. We simply go to the settings option, in which you can navigate here your account settings section, but just go to this payment settings, and below just simply fill out all of the required information by clicking this edit, in which it will show you on this pop-up window that you can simply enter here the nickname of this payment default setup. For instance, I'm going to enter here the nickname sample. Then below just simply fill out the required information or the step 4, which is the address details. And after that, just scroll down until you find this next button below and click confirm and continue. And now for the step 2, the next thing that you need to do from here is to simply choose the payment details, including the payment methods such as with your local bank, transfers, and all you need to do is to simply fill out all of the required information in here, such as your account number and any other details that needed for bank transfer. You could also choose here PayPal, then below just simply enter your email address on PayPal. And after that, fill out all of the required information below, then click the next button to proceed to the step 3, which is to upload your income return statement in order to set up your payment methods in here. But overall, that is just basically how you can sell domain on Godaddy. Thank you.